Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to add password to your Temu account. Now let's say you want to secure your account better by adding a password. The first thing you do is you tap on, at the bottom here you have some options. We have home, we have categories, we have you, and we have cart. So you tap on you. Now you can see these options here. This is not what you need. What you need is the setting option at the top right corner. Tap on settings, tap on account security, and then you can see the option for password. Tap on add. If you already added password, if you want to edit the password, you see the option for edit there. Then you have to put in a password that you're able to associate with your account. Now don't use a password from any other site or something too obvious like your pet's name. Always use something more, I say, encrypted, more protected. Do not use a password that is easy to guess or that you can easily forget either. So you enter your password. It must be minimum of 8 characters. And once you're done, once you start putting it, you tell your password quality if it is weak or if it is strong. Very good, you can see. And then once it's strong, then tap on save. But make sure the password you're using is a very strong one.